Right, this is my Mk2 Escort. I've not done it this year, but what I'm going to do is I want to move the whole car over to the left so I can get up this passenger side of it. I want to pull the fuse box out it. It's got the old original ceramic type, but I've found a guy online that's making replacement fuse boxes using the blade type. He's in South Australia, but he'll post me one over, so I'll post it to my pals in Australia and he'll bring it over. So I need to pop mine out to see where the exciter wire goes on it. It's 2 screws, but rather than lean over the front, what I'll do is I'll clear whatever's up this side on the floor and I'll drag it over on the dollies. We're back on this crossflow. This is a front wheel drive crossflow 1600, that's for the better project for another day, that's what that is. I need the box off as well. Cable tidy, I'll put this away. Then I'll drag this over. There's enough room as a box at the back there, I might need to move that further back, it's got tractor bits in it. Right, I'll pull the front over, let's see if I can pull the back over. Oh, aye, nice and easy. Nice and easy. That's fine. Press a wee bit more. I've misplaced my big knuckle bar too, so I think it might be up this side. Well, I hope it is. Up the passenger side there. Let's just see what's happening down here, because it's really close to all this junk. It's all good. It's all good. Right, pull this front over a wee bit more. Right, there we go. Right up this side of the car now. I've got a heap of speedo cables that live up here that I couldn't get away, but I'll be able to put them back in that rack now as well. My knuckle bar is there. And here's the fuse box. I'll leave the bonnet up just in case there's mice, so they don't make a nest under here. Right, there's 2 screws either side. I'll pop them out and then lift this up. Get a picture of the back of it. This screwdriver. And I'll just take this. There's 2 screws either side that had this fuse box in. And also, they're like spacers on them, you know, it's the same bits that the cover fits on, I think. And a gasket under this too. Just use it. And you lift it up, take a picture of the underside, and send it to the man. You could probably get it from inside the car, like, but sorry, the battery's already disconnected. I'm going to go in there and disconnect that. Refresh myself how it is. Get that bloody glove box out. Oh, don't! Probably. Start out there if it taking the glove box out. Just try to prise the plug off the back if the gasket's falling a bit annoying me. Off. That's a nice tab or something. I'll keep messing about. In fact, I've got another fuse box in the shed. I'll go and look at it and remind myself how it comes. I think it just pulls off like, yeah. Right, I've got it. I just had to be a wee bit rougher with it. So yeah, right, turn it upside down. There's the gasket. Take that off so I don't. Place that wee bit there. Right, I'll get a picture of this now for the man, eh? So replace this, the blade fuses, and there's away with these things that are nice. Right, here's the fuse box. I've taken my pictures. I'll go and pop it back in, but I'll no tighten it up. I'll just sit it in place, just in case he needs any more information. Right, I'm just pushing this back in. I've got the plugs back on. I've got the gasket in place, so I'm going to see if I can line it up. That a hole there. Yeah, and if it twisting it. Is it through the gasket? Let's put that on one thread. Line the other side up. See if I can get it in straight. If not, I'll be able to get a new gasket made. Thicker, better one, but I'll try and get it back into this original because it's complete. Right, let's get this, tighten this back up. I think I've got it all in place. I was going to leave it loose, but no, I don't know when I'll get back to this, so put it back as it was. Oh, that's not right, wait a minute. Doesn't feel like it's sitting right there. No, I think it is. Alright. Yeah, that's alright. I'll put the cover back on that. Oh, it needs a good clean under here, but see, that'll come. There's the cover on there. There we go. Let's sit on the plastic bits, you see. There's another bit missing that I never ever came with, I believe. Right. Go and lock up these other two cars now because I'm going away for my dinner just shortly. I'm going to do that. Let's do this Fiesta first. I like to open them and let them air a bit. So I do. Feisty. Do the pick up now. Shut this down. Got these windies. I've got that rust converter stuff on there. I'll need to put a wee bit more on later on. I'll do that. I'll leave the tailgate didn't in it and I didn't hear him. Right. Back into this Escort. Right. I've got these speedo cables down here now. These are just ones I had lying about. I dug out, none of them fitted the Bantam pickup. I need to put them away, but they live up behind the car. I couldn't put them away when the car was at this side because I didn't want to scratch it. So I'll dig them all out. And I'll take them up that side. And I'll put them away up the back of this thing. Yeah. And that'll be us for the day. Like the video, subscribe. I'm just a blind guy messing about with old Ford cars. So a day. Right, that'll do, doesn't it? Cheers. Ah, the bloody inners are coming out these cables. I don't know. That's a dashboard. That's from a Fiesta. That's another project for another day. I'm going to get that done over the winter. Right, that'll do me the day. Can't be bothered fighting with the cables anymore. I'll come back to it tomorrow. Shut that up. I'll turn out the lights. I'm going to get my tea.